Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create a homemade soldering through-hole kit. This kit is a DIY project with LED. After power is turned on, 3 lights flash in cycles. Let's see what we have prepared. NPN transistors, LED lights, electrolytic capacitors, through-hole resistors, to pins, and a universal board. First, I placed the components in their appropriate positions according to the circuit diagram. I started by inserting the resistors into the universal board, bending its pins to secure it in place. Then I will solder one of its pins. Then I insert the NPN transistors and electrolytic capacitors. Connect them together according to the circuit diagram by soldering. Trim off the excess wire. This DIY project is now complete. Let's power it up and give it a try. I need to practice more and look forward to doing better next time. Thanks for your liking and subscribing.